I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select WS Form. To integrate the WS Form, go to the WS Form and navigate to the action. To add a new action, click on the plus icon and give it a meaningful name. Choose action. Choose type. Give here a hook tag. So go to the integration site. Under the note, copy the hook tag, then paste it on the WS form. Save and close it. Now go to your integration site and choose a form. Next. Now here search and select Notion. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. Now for client ID and client secret, please visit Notion API console. Now click on Create New Integration. Give a meaningful name as you want. Then submit. Click on Distribution. Now check this. Here give your company name. Now website homepage URL. Give your privacy policy page link. Then give your terms of use page link. Give a support email. Copy your redirect URL from authorization page and paste here. Now click on Submit, then Continue. Now copy client ID and client secret and paste it on authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Select Pages. Allow access. Authorization successfully done. Click Next. Select Database List. Now map the fields. Then click Next. Finish and save it. Go to the Ninja Forms page and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now let's go to the Notion. Here is the data that came into Notion through the integration. Thanks for watching.